Hey, what's up, people? I don't think I want to get another Brompton. I just want to have the two Bs, you know? I think everyone will always be very conflicted about, oh, should I get a Brompton? Should I get a Birdy? So this time around, I'm planning to get a Birdy. Anyways, the reason why I haven't been posting is because, it's been news after news. We had the ban, the PMD ban. And then the next thing I know, in fact, I haven't even been following. Apparently, I can't even use my one wheel anymore. So that really, really sucks. I can't do any coffee runs with my one wheel. Anyway, enough of that. Enough of the ranting, enough of the whining. I'm just gonna put it all behind me. Today's video is about me buying a Birdy, and I would like to take you along for the experience. I'm gonna visit Mighty Velo right now. Also, another reason why I am doing a Birdy video is because I tried going on YouTube, and strangely, the whole bunch of Birdy videos have way too much sound and no one talking, but probably like a good 90%. The remaining 10%, they are like instructional videos from basically the shops. But no, I haven't found a video with an end user, just really talking about the experience of riding a Birdy. But hence the reason for this video. So I just parked my car and I just wanted to run through some of the key differences right now. The Birdy is it has got a suspension in the front as well. Supposedly it's supposed to be a more comfortable ride, but haven't ridden one. Here. Supposed to make an appointment with Tommy, but I couldn't make it that day, so yeah. It's okay.
This one is a roll-off.
Okay.
So just that you need to take note that there's a lot of stuff added on to it.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is not as the stock would come.
Okay.
But the main difference between the roll-off and the rest would still be that the internal hub of the bike makes it a lot smoother.
Okay.
And a lot of people agree that once you ride it, right, and you try it again and you compare it against the other models, it's very, very different.
Oh.
But
okay.
likewise, the price point for it is a lot higher.
Yeah.
So the roll-off is 14 speed.
Is the rear arm a little bit different? I see. Oh, it's the same actually.
This one is different. So the frame itself is all the same.
Oh, okay.
So all the models except for the classic, all the frames are the same.
Okay.
The different comes in the components, the wheels. That one is different.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's say even though this one is a polished silver, right? If you wanted to get it in the sky blue. Yeah. So we've got a total of 14 different colors available right now. We've got I think 11 or 10 on display. 10 on display. Two of it we don't have on display, which is the mercury grey and the graphite black.
Okay.
And then we've got these two. We don't have a frame for it yet, but these are the sample colors.
Are the weight of the frames all the same?
The weight of the frame, yes, but the weight of the bikes, no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the bikes are a little bit different. So like the roll-off is the heaviest one. It's at 12 kg.
The folding process is not as straightforward as a Brompton, that's why. Right?
Yeah, but it's different also because the Brompton is a commuter bike. This is a performance bike.
Performance bike.
Yeah, so if you're doing like more intense riding, right, definitely the Birdy will feel a lot better compared to Brompton. Yeah. Okay, so this is the racing. The main differences I would say in most of the bikes would be firstly the speed, the wheels.
Okay.
So those are the main two differences. So on the racing, you can see it's using stick wheels. So this goes a lot faster. But this is an 18-inch, but we won't be carrying that anymore.
Okay.
So bringing in the new one, which is 20-inch, so it'll go even faster than it already is.
Okay.
So like the name said, this is a racing model.
Okay.
Among the Birdies, it's meant to go the fastest.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one uses disc brake. City also uses disc brake.
Okay.
This is 11 speed. This is 9 speed.
Okay.
So the wheels on this one is made for like just roads, pavements, commuting, riding, that kind of stuff.
Okay.
So nothing too intense. So if you're looking for something that is just for everyday use, this would be a better option for you.
Right.
Yeah. So classic stands out compared to the rest because the classic uses the whole frame design.
Yeah, it's
So
like
when
a
you
tubular
compare-
design.
Yeah,
Right?
so when you compare this one and this one, right, this is a monocoque design, this is a tube design. So what happens is that when you cut this in the cross section, this has it's a little bit triangular, so it makes it a lot sturdier, a lot stronger.
I see.
Yes, this is the older design,
Okay.
which is a 1 QA. But that's not to say that this isn't just as strong. Just compared to most folding bikes, this is already a lot sturdier. Yeah. So they took the old design, they reinforced it, they changed the materials a little bit. So it still performs really well. This
You all don't have the titanium model?
no, we don't carry the titanium.
Oh.
You only after every 10 years.
Yeah.
Okay. When's the 10th year coming up? 20th? Huh?
Very long. Yeah.
10
Because
years
they came out
later.
with it, I think a year
What,
or
20
so ago.
Last year?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this one is this one you only had carried in polished silver. So it's just on this one. So what you see here is pretty much what you get.
Okay.
Yeah, this is 8 speeds only. So this is the entry level Birdy. So when people
Okay.
come in here, because a lot of people that come in here, they are looking to switch from CMTs.
Yeah.
So usually for them, we recommend them to switch to classic. Yeah. Entry level, this is also the cheapest one.
So which one is cash and carry now?
Cash and carry now, I don't think we have any that's cash and carry.
So it's all to
Usually
build,
it takes
you
about
choose?
2 to 3 days. I think the
Okay.
earliest right now is Wednesday.
After Chinese New Year.
After Chinese New Year.
Yeah, next week.
Next week?
Yes, correct.
Oh. Okay.
Because
Okay.
we actually do have quite a few orders as well.
Okay.
Yeah. The GT is, I would say, our more popular model because
Okay.
it's designed for light terrain. You would say it's more mountain terrain. Because a lot of people in Singapore, you're not preparing on pavement, some people want to ride on gravel. This would be a better option because
This.
the
Oh,
tires are
okay.
different.
Yeah, that's
This
right.
one's got a little bit, it's got more knobbly tires, right? It grips
Yeah.
onto gravel better than the rest of the tires do.
So this is for like mountain biking?
I won't say mountain biking.
All terrain? Or something like-
Terrain,
Yeah,
light
okay.
terrain.
Okay.
So gravel is fine, but not like going down mountains, that kind of stuff. Maybe that won't be as suitable. Yeah, but for just light gravel, let's say like Coney Island, that kind of stuff, this one would perform very well. Yeah. So this is 10 speed. One more difference is that this uses hydraulic disc brakes.
Oh, hydraulic.
Yes. So the rest of the model, right? It uses disc brake.
Okay.
The classic uses caliper brakes. So caliper brakes, some people feel like it wears on a little bit faster
Correct.
because it's a physical gripping of the tire. This uses hydraulic disc brake. So this is some people would say it feels stronger.
Yeah.
Some people don't like it as much because they say it feels jerky because it grips a lot quicker. Yeah, but because this is designed for light gravel, right? The hydraulic is meant to be there so that let's say you're going down gravel and then you slip or something, it's easier for you to grip.
So what's the price point between this one, the racing,
And city.
city, and the
Alright.
classic?
So 1899, 2399, GT is 2899,
Okay.
R20 is 3699.
369. Oh, that's a huge jump, huh?
Yeah. So R20 is 369.
Because of the components, or?
The tire is different. So the rest of it uses 18-inch tires.
Yeah.
The new R20 uses 20-inch tires.
Okay.
And then the roll-off is 5899.
Yeah, that's right.
Retail.
Yeah. Okay. And the roll-off would be with 20-inch tires too, or
18-inch tires.
18-inch?
Yep.
Okay.
It's the internal hub where the price comes in.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you search online, I think there's a video where they run through the cross section and how it goes and everything. The mechanical design of it, right, is actually very complex, and that's why it's priced so quickly, lah. But
Okay.
ultimately, a lot of people say that you just look at it this way, you can't really tell the difference. But once you try it out and you ride it, right, then you see why the price is that high.
Okay. Alright, the roll off. I'm not really enjoying the pedaling feel of the roll off, but right now I am on the racing Birdy. It's great, man. I think I'm gonna get the racing model. Yeah, the Birdy racing. Let me just go back to the shop to confirm it. Wow. I just got back home. I've already placed my order. No surprise, I actually went for the racing model. Guess what? I will have to wait until the end of March because I got the graphite black with the upgraded 20-inch rims or the wheels so it can go a little bit faster. And since I had to wait, I was thinking to myself, why not get the color I like? And so I guess it wouldn't be until then that I post another video on my first birdie. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.